Zmap is a project developed at the University of Michigan, the target of which is to find a tool that can scan the IPv4 network in a very short time. With 1 gigabyte of internet link, we can scan the entire IPv4 network in only 45 minutes.
Wow.
Keep in mind that performing such a scan will bother some people, including governmental agencies.
Everything bothers them.
Yeah, so be aware and only try it on your public IP. Zmap is designed to be faster than Nmap by 1,300 times.
That's impressive.
Yes.
Yeah, Zmap is only available as command line tool. A Zmap scan is going to go something like this. Zmap will perform a TCP SYN scan on the specified port without specifying IP range. It will scan 10,000 random addresses on port 80 at a maximum 10 megabytes per second. Or it will scan a specific subnet on port 80, zmap-p80-o results.csv 10.0.0.0/8, 192.168.0.0/16.
Besides being careful to not annoy military and federal agencies, which would be really good, consider these steps as best practices when using this tool. Beginning with coordinate closely with local network administrators to reduce risk and handle inquiries. Verify that scans will not overwhelm the local network or upstream provider. Signal the benign nature of the scans in web pages and DNS entries of the source addresses. Clearly explain the purpose and scope of the scans in all communications. Provide a simple means of opting out and honor requests promptly, of course. Conduct scans no larger or more frequent than it's necessary for research objectives. Spread scanned traffic either over time or source addresses when feasible. Now, to get Zmap working on your Linux, we better build it from the source. This method works on Debian and Ubuntu distros of Linux. Just follow this series of commands and you should be good to go.